Welcome to the next video of our series on how to use estate planning to preserve generational wealth. As we navigate through Part 5, Preserving Family Values and Legacy, we explore the essence of weaving family values and traditions into the fabric of estate planning. Estate planning transcends the boundaries of financial wealth management, stepping into the realm of legacy building and the transmission of family values. This installment underscores the importance of integrating family values into estate planning, offering a roadmap to ensure that your wealth aligns with your deepest principles and beliefs. It is these values that form the bedrock of a lasting legacy, guiding future generations towards a future rich in both material wealth and moral fortitude. We delve into strategic approaches for passing down non-financial assets, the heirlooms, stories, and traditions that stitch the tapestry of family history. Understanding how to safeguard these treasures is key to preserving the intangible essence of your legacy. The creation of a family mission statement emerges as a pivotal strategy in cementing family values and objectives, serving as a beacon for future generations. This mission statement encapsulates your family's ethos, providing clarity and direction for wealth preservation efforts and ensuring that your legacy flourishes through time. As we continue our journey, we invite you to reflect on the legacy you wish to leave behind. The strategies and insights shared throughout this series offer a foundation upon which to build a prosperous future, one that honors the past while forging a path for generations to come. Thank you for joining us in exploring the profound depths of estate planning and generational wealth preservation. Your journey towards creating a lasting legacy continues today. Preserving family values and legacy. Incorporating family values into estate planning. One of the most important aspects of estate planning is ensuring that your wealth and assets align with your family values and beliefs. By incorporating family values into estate planning, you can create a legacy that reflects your principles and priorities and passes them on to future generations. Here are some key considerations for integrating family values into your estate planning strategy. 1. Define your family values. The first step in incorporating family values into estate planning is to clearly define what is important to you and your family. This may include values such as education, philanthropy, entrepreneurship, or environmental sustainability. By identifying your core values, you can ensure that your estate plan reflects these priorities. 2. Communicate with family members. It is essential to involve your family members in the estate planning process and discuss your values and goals with them. By communicating openly and honestly, you can gain insights into their perspectives and ensure that your estate plan reflects the values that are important to all family members. 3. Establish a family mission statement. Consider creating a family mission statement that outlines your core values, goals, and aspirations. This statement can serve as a guiding principle for your estate planning decisions and help ensure that your wealth is used in a way that aligns with your family's values. Or create a philanthropic plan. If philanthropy is a key value for your family, consider incorporating charitable giving into your estate plan. You can establish a family foundation, set up a donor-advised fund, or include charitable bequests in your will to support causes that are important to your family. 5. Educate and empower future generations. Another important aspect of incorporating family values into estate planning is to educate and empower future generations about the values that are important to your family. Consider creating opportunities for your children and grandchildren to learn about financial literacy, philanthropy, and responsible wealth management. 6. Seek professional guidance. Estate planning can be complex, especially when incorporating family values into the process. It is advisable to seek guidance from a qualified estate planning attorney or financial advisor who can help you create a comprehensive plan that reflects your values and goals. By incorporating family values into your estate planning, you can create a lasting legacy that not only preserves generational wealth, but also reflects the principles and beliefs that are important to your family. This approach can help ensure that your wealth is used in a way that aligns with your values and creates a positive impact for future generations. Strategies for passing down non-financial assets. In the realm of estate planning, passing down non-financial assets can be just as important as distributing monetary wealth. Non-financial assets can include a wide range of items such as family heirlooms, real estate properties with sentimental value, intellectual property, art collections, and even values and traditions that hold significance within the family. Preserving these assets requires thoughtful consideration and strategic planning to ensure they are safeguarded and passed down successfully to future generations. 1. Identify and document non-financial assets. The first step in passing down non-financial assets is to identify and document all the assets that hold value within the family. This could involve creating an inventory of items such as antiques, jewelry, artwork, family photographs, or any other sentimental objects that are considered part of the family legacy. 2. Establish clear communication. Effective communication is crucial when it comes to passing down non-financial assets. Family members should openly discuss their preferences and sentimental attachments to various items to avoid potential conflicts or misunderstandings in the future. Clearly articulating the significance of each asset and understanding each family member's wishes can help in creating a harmonious plan for distribution. 3. Create a legacy plan. Developing a comprehensive legacy plan is essential for ensuring that non-financial assets are passed down according to the family's wishes. This plan should outline specific instructions on how each asset should be distributed, who will inherit them, and any conditions or restrictions that should be followed. It may also include provisions for maintaining and preserving the assets over time. 4. Consider the emotional value. Non-financial assets often hold significant emotional value for family members. When planning for the transfer of these assets, it is important to consider the sentimental attachments and personal connections that individuals have with certain items. Taking into account these emotional aspects can help in creating a plan that respects the family's history and traditions. 5. Seek professional guidance. Estate planning involving non-financial assets can be complex, especially when dealing with items of high value or sentimental significance. Seeking the expertise of estate planners, attorneys, or financial advisors who specialize in legacy planning can provide valuable insights and guidance in structuring a plan that aligns with the family's goals and values. In conclusion, passing down non-financial assets requires careful consideration, effective communication, and strategic planning to ensure that these valuable elements of family heritage are preserved and cherished by future generations. By implementing thoughtful strategies and seeking professional advice, families can create a solid foundation for safeguarding their legacy and preserving generational wealth beyond monetary assets. Creating a family mission statement for wealth preservation. Creating a family mission statement for wealth preservation is a crucial step in securing and maintaining generational wealth. A family mission statement outlines the values, goals, and principles that guide financial decision-making and estate planning within the family. This document serves as a roadmap for current and future generations to ensure that the family's wealth is preserved, protected, and used in a manner that aligns with the family's values and objectives. To create a family mission statement for wealth preservation, it is important to involve all family members in the process. This can be done through family meetings or discussions where everyone has the opportunity to share their thoughts, values, and aspirations related to wealth management and preservation. Encouraging open and honest communication is key to developing a mission statement that reflects the collective values and goals of the family. When crafting a family mission statement, consider including the following elements. 1. Core values. Identify the fundamental values that are important to the family, such as integrity, stewardship, education, philanthropy, and unity. These values will serve as the foundation for all financial decisions and actions within the family. 2. Long-term goals. Define the long-term goals and aspirations for the family's wealth, such as preserving assets for future generations, supporting charitable causes, or funding education and entrepreneurship initiatives. These goals will help guide investment strategies and estate planning decisions. 3. Governance structure. Establish a governance structure that outlines how financial decisions will be made within the family, including the roles and responsibilities of family members, trustees, advisors, and other stakeholders. This structure can help ensure transparency, accountability, and continuity in wealth management practices. 4. Communication plan. Develop a communication plan that outlines how information about the family's wealth, values, and goals will be shared among family members. Regular family meetings, financial education sessions, and updates on estate planning strategies can help promote understanding and alignment among family members. 5. Review and update process. Establish a process for reviewing and updating the family mission statement on a regular basis to ensure that it remains relevant and reflective of the family's evolving values and goals. Consider scheduling annual or biennial reviews to discuss any changes or additions to the mission statement. By creating a family mission statement for wealth preservation, families can build a strong foundation for preserving generational wealth and ensuring that future generations are equipped to manage and grow that wealth responsibly. This document can serve as a guiding light for the family, providing clarity, direction, and unity in their financial journey. As we approach the conclusion of today's exploration into Part 5, Preserving Family Values and Legacy, we've journeyed deep into the heart of what it truly means to intertwine our most cherished values with the practicalities of estate planning. This episode has shed light on the profound significance of ensuring our wealth, and the stories it carries echoes the principles and beliefs that define us. The creation of a family mission statement, as we've discovered, is not just an exercise in articulation, but a foundational pillar for a legacy that truly resonates with our ideals. It's a beacon that guides not only our financial decisions, but also illuminates the path for future generations to follow. Yet our journey doesn't end here. There's another chapter waiting to unfold, promising to delve even deeper into the strategies and insights necessary for the holistic preservation of generational wealth. As we anticipate Part 6, implementing generational wealth plans, let's reflect on the steps we've taken so far and the groundwork we've laid for a legacy that extends beyond mere financial assets. I invite you to stay tuned and join us in the next part of our series, where we will uncover more layers and continue to build on the foundation we've established. Your proactive engagement in this process is crucial in shaping a future that not only reflects your financial aspirations, but also upholds the values and legacy you wish to pass on. Thank you for your dedication to this journey towards meaningful estate planning and generational wealth preservation. The insights we've shared today are merely stepping stones to a more comprehensive understanding and approach in the next part of our series. Together, let's continue to mold a legacy that not only endures but flourishes, guided by the values we hold dear. Until we meet again in Part 6, keep reflecting, planning, and envisioning the legacy you aim to build. The future is a canvas for your values, dreams, and aspirations. Farewell, and see you in the next video, where we'll take the final steps in cementing a legacy that transcends time.